Okay, this is a video tutorial to create the bunker lip texture that you'll need for my APCD tutorial 1, and to make everything easy I've created a template, so I'll just load in the template. I've created two actually, one for the 512 textures, one for 1024, depending on which you're using. I'll just load this one in. Now what I've done is I've cut out the dirt from the texture I used in the video, so we've got transparent left and right, and all we have to do is slide in our sand on the left and our grass on the right, because obviously you're going to need the sand and grass that you're using on your course, otherwise the texture is not going to match up. So very easy to do. You need to see the layers for this, so I'll turn the layers on. First I'm going to load in a sand, so if I open, pop in the sand, and we're going to select it, select all, copy, switch to our texture and paste it on. By default this is going to drop it on top of the dirt. We actually want the dirt on the top all the time for this, so I shall drag this down and drop it below the other texture, so we've got the sand under the dirt now. Now all we have to do is slide our sand texture along to the left so that it's just showing on the left hand side of this texture. So I click move, and there's still 1024 texture here behind. We can only see a part of it because of the size of the texture we're making, but the whole texture's still there. So if I slide it along, you'll see it moving under the image. I'm just dragging it, left mouse click, oh, too far. So basically we just want to position it so that it's in the middle and not going over. We've gone over the edge there, so drag it there. Now it's very easy when you're dragging it left and right to move it up or down at the same time, which obviously I have because we've got a transparent area here. So I'm just going to drag it up a little and it will snap, because I've got the snap, the auto snap is turned on, which is very useful for a lot of things, so I tend to have it on all the time. Just check it's matching top bottom, that's fine. So now I'm just going to load the grass texture in, and because we're on layer 1 it's going to automatically drop it in between 0 and 1 here. Layer 2 will be in the middle here, which is just where we're going to want it anyway, so I'll make life easier. So grass texture in, again select all, copy, go to our bunker lip texture, paste. Onto move, which we're already on, slide it the other way and snap. It's much easier to position the second one because it will snap to the edge of the sand. Just check again that the top and the bottom are snapped right, and that's it. You've got your texture to use in my tutorial. File save as, select TGA, give it a name. Well, it's already named what I want. Click save. Make sure it's 24 bits because that's what you use for textures on links, and don't have any compression on. Click OK, and that's as simple as it is. One of the great things we can do before we save it though is edit it a little bit. So the dirt is on a separate layer, which makes it very easy to change the dirt. So if I click on the dirt, say you wanted lighter or darker dirt, maybe chalky soil, peaty soil, etc. If you're on the layer 0 dirt, before you save it, we can come up to image adjustments and change the brightness, change the saturation. I tend to use hue saturation a lot when I'm working on textures, and just slide and change the texture there. We can get a grayer texture. We might want it darker, maybe chalky light soil. Very easy to make it just how you want it before you save it. One of the other things we could do, I won't change the colour at all, I'll leave it as I had it. One of the other things we can do, in Photoshop anyway, I'm not sure about other programs, is add a drop shadow, which will make our grass look much more like it's overhanging the dirt. So if we right click on the layer of the dirt and click blending options, you'll see we've got a menu of different things we can do, and if we click the drop shadow, it's just added a shadow. Now that's not where we want the shadow, because it's put the shadow between the dirt and the sand, which should be a smooth transition. We want our shadow along the grass, overhanging grass edge. The reason this shadow is where it is because of this angle. That's the angle that the light's coming in and casting a shadow. So we want to move this so we can just click and drag it to any angle we like, and you'll see now we've got the light coming from this way, it's casting a shadow this side, which makes it look more like the grass is overhanging the dirt. We can change how intense that is, make it totally solid, that'll be really black at 100%, or we can reduce it down to whatever we want, just make it very subtle. So that's a very simple way of giving your grass a more defined 3D side. There's other things you can change, but I tend to leave the default settings on, but you could change the contours, give it a different shape contour, that will change the shadow shape, and you'll get all different sorts of effects. So you can have a fiddle, but when you've got it how you want it, again just save it off, and that's about it.